Hey, what's up, folks? So we got a little review here for you. More of a opening, unboxing, whatever. You get what I'm saying. We'll just go with that. So I got this sweet little tool here. It's actually a tool case. Ago Go, whatever. I don't know how to say that. Anyway, you got this nice little case here. It's got pretty decent, it's like a little gun case or whatever. But what's inside is what's important. If I can get my meat hooks to work here. So, what these are standard and metric, and they're color coded. Now, I'm going to pull this one out, which is a 1" by 8 pitch. This end here lets you check what your bolts are. This end here lets you check what your nuts are. So let's see, where do we got it here? Half 13. We'll go with that because I know we got one of those. We got right here, half 13. Now say I reached in a bag and I didn't know what this was. Well, I'd pop this turd out. Do this one-handed here. Here, I got a better idea. Got me a handy-dandy kicky standy. This thread's on, just like that. And now I know that that's a half 13. So, this kit is super handy. You have no idea. And it's in a foam insert. And it's got all your dimensions, so you know what size you're grabbing. Like I said, we got the metric brand, the M&Ms. So, I got this on the Amazon, and I'm going to leave a link in the description for this for you guys. Super handy, especially when you're working on a car and you don't know who did what. Because I guarantee you, if it ain't brand new, it's probably not got an original full set of nuts and bolts, Anyway, super handy. Really like this thing. My brother actually told me about this, so I bought one. I think it was like $54, $54, $59. This is the larger kit. So, like I said, link in the description down below. Thanks for watching Midnight Customs. Hit that like button. And if you would, subscribe. We'd love to have you around.